Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 8 screen stays black, it can be quite concerning. This issue may arise due to a faulty display connector or a damaged screen itself. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications or permanent damage to your device. Don't worry, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a replacement screen or display connector depending on your diagnosis. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the device casing. Be careful, as the display is fragile. Once you've created a gap, insert the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the casing. Take your time with this step, rushing could crack the screen. After opening it, locate the display connector, which is typically secured with a few screws. Use the Torx screwdriver to remove these screws and gently disconnect the ribbon cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, if you are replacing the display connector, take the new one and securely connect it, ensuring it clicks into place. If you are replacing the screen, carefully position the new screen and reconnect the display cable. Once everything is in place, reattach the screws to secure the connector. Now, carefully align the screen back onto the device casing, ensuring no wires are pinched during the process. Press down firmly yet gently around the edges to ensure it sits properly. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 8 to check if the screen is functioning correctly. If everything seems to be in order, you have successfully completed the repair. To avoid this issue in the future, ensure your device is not exposed to extreme temperatures or physical shocks, and regularly check for software updates that could enhance performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.